Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. So recently I have came across a lot of comments under my videos from young adults, teenagers, especially aging from 18 to 24, 25 years old, young adults who want to start active, want to have a good effective skincare routine but do not know how to start using active ingredients or serums, because when you look into different ingredients for different skin concerns, you will get lost very easily. You can get confused very easily, because there are so many ingredients, so many serums available, but you don't know which one to use as a beginner. Now there are so many ingredients that will be very helpful for young adults, but before that you have to find out what is your skin concern. First of all, if you are a young adult, then there is a good chance that you have acne and acne breakouts. Acne is always leave behind dark spots, acne marks, so it is a very general concern for teenagers and young adults to have dark spots and treat their dark spots. So today's skincare routine will be specifically for that, how to treat your dark spots, acne marks, when you are a young adult, how to start using serums, how to choose your serum right. So I actually have a wonderful serum for you guys that will be very beneficial as a beginner. If you are starting out using serums, then you can start with this, because it has the blend of the ingredients that is very essential for young adults. It has niacinamide, Arbutin, glutathione and vitamin C. Those are very key ingredients to treat dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne marks. Now this serum that I'm talking about is from Chicnutrix. This is Outshine face serum. It has the blend of all the essential active ingredients in it in a very lower concentration that is suitable for young skin, as a beginner who has never tried actives before. This will be perfect because the concentration of all the ingredients are a bit lower but very effective, extremely effective. Now we will talk about this serum, and I will also provide you guys a very simple three-step skincare routine with only 3 products that is going to be very beneficial for you guys. Just stick to these 3 steps and 3 products, you are set. Let's get started with the skincare routine, and I will share this product with you guys that is going to be very useful for you. So we will start with cleansing our skin. We need to choose a face wash that would be mild, gentle and non-drying. Try to get a face wash with salicylic acid if you have active breakouts. Now it's very important that your face wash balances the pH level of your skin. Otherwise you will get more breakouts and your skin will be irritated. Now I do not use any other toner because this face wash is perfect for my skin. Always pat dry your skin with a clean towel. Next, it's time to treat your skin concerns. We are going to use serum with active ingredients for our skin issues. Here I am using Chicnutrix Outshine face serum. This serum contains ingredients like niacinamide, glutathione, vitamin C, Arbutin and triple hyaluronic acid complex that fights free radicals and provide glowing and radiant skin. This has niacinamide that reduces pigmentation and dark spots. It strengthens the skin barrier, fights against free radicals and provides smooth texture. This product is completely cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free and dye-free. This serum has glutathione, vitamin C, Arbutin and hyaluronic acid that protects our skin from UV radiation and also improves our skin complexion, fades away pigmentation and discoloration, and also hydrates our skin very deeply. This is made in Korea, formulated specially for Indian skin. The low concentration in this product with multiple ingredient formulas actually is very effective, and this gets absorbed very quickly without making our skin feeling very sticky or heavy. I just apply 4 to 5 drops to clean dry skin and massage this gently. You can buy this serum online on Nykaa, Tiara Beauty, Amazon, Flipkart, and other leading retail stores. Plus, you can get this at a 10% discount with my coupon code CHICLIZ10 on Chicnutrix website. Next, it's time to moisturize our skin, guys. You can use either gel moisturizer or cream moisturizer depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin type, then go for a gel moisturizer. If you have a dry skin type, then use a creamy moisturizer. Hydration is very important to protect our skin from losing the moisture. So definitely do not skip your moisturizer. And there you go, guys, skincare done with just 3 easy steps and 3 products. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this skincare routine is helpful for you guys. If you have any other concern, definitely put it in my comment section. I will get to you. And also, as I have already mentioned, you can get 10% discount with this product on their website with my coupon code. Definitely use that code. Who doesn't love an additional discount, right? So yeah, grab yours, just shine bright and have a healthy skin. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.